Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely BMW X5. Now this is the M-Sport. It's a 30D X-Drive, so 3 litre, 260 odd brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic box. These cars are an absolute delight to drive. Now this one is a massive spec car. So straight away we're finished in the Sapphire Black Metallic. As you can tell, it's not your standard looking car. We've got this lovely aggressive body styling. So your front bumper, that's got the lovely lower lip on it. We've got the nice big grills. We're riding on those lovely dual tone alloy wheels. We've got S-drill blue brake calipers poking through. Then coming through to the side, we've got side skirts. We've got little canards at the back, as you can see. Spoiler poking through. So when you look at it as a package as a whole, it looks absolutely ace. So let's have a look around it. We've got front and rear parking sensors, obviously reversing camera, LED daytime running lights, lovely aggressive styling. It really pokes that chin out. We're then riding on these lovely 21-inch alloy wheels, diamond turned, riding on lovely tyres all round. Obviously, as I mentioned, S-drill blue brake calipers which just poke through. Matching the lovely BMW emblems on the centre caps and the M-Sport badges on your wings. We've got little vents down the sides. We've got roof bars in the black, all your window surrounds are in the black. Privacy glass on this one as well. And then condition wise, bodywork wise, it's a nice car, so can't see any sort of dents or dings down the side there. We've got the xDrive30d badge into the rear. As you can tell, nice aggressive lower diffuser, dual exhaust, lovely spoiler at the top, just finishing it off. And then we've got this little lower spoiler at the bottom as well, just adds a little bit of a chin, nice little nose. Looking through then to the boot, obviously we've got the camera there, as I mentioned. This is a 7-seat model, so we've got the 2 seats in the rear. Now the middle row, they're all electrically operated, but as you can tell, you can drop and bring them up as well. So I'll show you through to that in just a second. Clamshell tailgate. So loads of luggage space there, as you can tell. With the clamshell closed, you've still got quite a bit of luggage space there, so you can definitely get all your shopping in. And then with those seats down, loads and loads of storage. Now the good thing is the middle row is electric. You can bring it forward, back, it slides all the way, so if you need more leg room in the back, you can have that. If you need more storage space, bring it all the way forward and you've got more storage. Now I'll show you how the system works, but just before we jump in, I'll show you through the passenger side. Again, very nice order. So let's jump in. We've got these little holders, so you can get iPad holders. You've got USB Type-C in there as well. There's a little button behind here which you can press. Front seat goes all the way forward, and then as you can tell, this goes all the way forward as well. We'll just turn that radio down. There we go. So, yeah, as you can tell, this tucks itself all the way forward, gives you loads of room to then hop in through to the rear. We've got a rear mat at the bottom there as well. Back seats, I'd probably say, have never been sat in. Operating them very nice and easy. You've even got climate control in the back there as well, which is nice to have. And then when you want the seats to come down, press the button again, glides all the way down. And as you can tell, you've got your seat controls at the bottom there. So that's the seat all the way forward, whereas the other seat is all the way back and reclined. So you can have ultimate comfort in the back. I'm 6'4", loads of leg room, loads of headroom in the rear here. So let's jump in the driver's side. I'll show you through to some of the technology on this car. So as you could probably see, ebony black grained leather, Dakota leather. All the tailored floor mats are there. No signs of any major wear on the bolsters, they're in nice order. So we've got two-way memory, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with your partner, your driver one, partner's driver two. We've got park folding mirrors, those are auto dimming as well. Auto lights, auto wipers, as you'd expect on a vehicle of this caliber. Leather multifunction steering wheel, which is an absolutely fantastic order. Cruise speed limiter, all the controls for auto bits and bobs, onboard computer. So as we're doing this video today, the vehicle has only covered 44,826 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. We've got our maps up on there at the moment. Coming through to the center then, we've got this lovely aluminium trim all throughout the vehicle. So as you can tell, it looks absolutely ace. Bright silver inserts all throughout as well. Inside it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any pets. Air conditioning, obviously it's going a bit warm now, is blowing ice cold. Steering column is electric as well, just that little button at the bottom. So let's go through some of the controls. We've got media, obviously full DAB, all the extended channels. You've got Bluetooth audio, you can connect your phone. If we scroll down to apps, you'll notice we've got full phone connectivity, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that's all connected via USB. We've got communications, we've got satellite navigation as well, which is nice and easy to use. Car info, so clicking through vehicle status, service requirements, you'll find service history on this car is absolutely mint. So it's had its running service check. 21 it had then oils, filters. 22 oils. 23 it had brake fluid, oil filter, fuel filter, rear brake pads, front brake pads, that was 24. Last service was done on the 28th of the 1st 2026 at 42,400 miles. So that was roughly done 2,400 miles ago. Clicking back through then, navigation, we've seen all that. We've got dual zone climate control, heated front seats, loads of storage there. You've got wireless phone charging. Obviously this vehicle is riding on air suspension, so if you look at the photos, we've got two photos side by side in the wheel arch where you can see it set at its max and set at its lowest setting as well. So at the moment, set at its lowest, looks really smart. Normally sets to itself to the lowest when you're on the motorway, just to reduce drag. Obviously once you go in a little more off-roadish, bump that suspension up, you know you're not scuffing any bumpers. You've got all the selectable driving modes with that as well, so Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro, Adaptive. You've got Auto Hold, which is fantastic for that stop-start traffic. If I put it into drive, flick it to the side, we've got Sport Mode on the gearbox, and then obviously you can go up and down the gears as well using the gear selector or the flappy paddles. USB Type-C connections all over, so you've seen them in the back. But a lovely car. I think it's got fantastic road presence, nice mileage, nice service history, and that body kit looks absolutely ace. So we're just about to throw it into the showroom, so when you come down to Alpha Motors you'll see it nice and dry. But if you'd like anything further, give us a call, send us an email. Phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.